ko free na mra ne ntimi nya adwuma oboko ba mra ya adwuma on kran na ya big no munni twa ba asere Joma ma kwasi aka yi soja for ko boku sesi aboba.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. And the birthday of our boss, our Ajwa, and on my platform, we are the political rant in Bremo. And she has been the one who built this platform from scratch to where it is today. And now Ghana and Sem TV GS is one of the leading blogs you can get on YouTube with political issues and as a current issues, current rant on any issue. Ghana and Sem TV GH is one of the leading ones, and this is the lady who has been at the forefront of this movement, single-handedly led it to where it is today. So she is a colossal when it comes to blogging. So happy birthday, boss. We pray that God will excel you in everything you do. You'll be protected and that you will lead this corporation into greater height. Now, let's come to today's discussion. Twene Jonas. Yeah, na yenimno. Wa oni Twene Jonas ede minim. Oh yeah, abante bia or share friend say America Krasibi village bi wa America mu. Na sa abante no. And akuforo ba omia 8 years. A lot of issues. A lot. Sembi okra no untimi biwa no kra repeat. Even though enye na yekai enye say una wokai but sembi a sa brand timi kano. Oso camera tuni oso camera na oso call live or Facebook and bebia no. Sembi otimi kikano. Untimi biwa no ka repeat. But oye side nyina no. Na ye your man penny your mama ni NDC for your mude. Esanze the more they make somebody is making NPP and as NPP government unpopular no, the better it gets for NDC. They know say it is increasing their chances, it is boosting their popularity and is drawing them closer and closer to governance.
Ko Gyimie, ko nam. Yes, sir, soldier for police for about 20 who am to Nyame, Joma who be take Konyana to. Who be take be sure Ghana no, who be take Konyana to. I didn't met Gyimie sir, Kumasi ni nimraso, Nkrani ni nimraso. Na Bawku ni nya de ope, ade amabu padam. Enti yesi ano, mo fresh soldier for Ghana nyina. Mu koja mu wo, na asante hene mu tie me ye. Abrafo na mu di asante hene chi na mo si asante hene e koso bu case no. This case no mutututu no madane mwa no mutututu a adwoma ma kwase yampanyine ne yo no aboa no agege o so mutututu oku police ni no me mama mfa asante hene ko no bia koku no mu before asante hene be ko no mu make sure say adan bia wo bia mo di soldier fo asarande dan no ho no mo di soldier fo di ka kokro obia fie because boko e kro ketua bi o eye kro ketua bi me makọ akoton si di kro ketua bi enti one day job one day soldier fo betimi awura fie bi am ayi obi agitu obi afie obi ansam ansa na mo de ayi asante hina ko
and me very sure says our glass nkwa hwefom 24/7 bas ye Gyimie and all those things no e kan una NDC timi ba ban mu ni na ye campaign ma NDC me ebimu krasan ka say sa 24-hour economy John Mahama 2 years ago or the buy up to ene or ni policy document bia to back it no sap eni na kra no ye Twene Jonas as moka 24/7 bas ne nemu and all those that John Mahama got the idea from et na ye mu bebe na ye nim say Twene Jonas ye de e bia kra na NDC shanichi omutu anaska by na den aba Twene Jonas aye NDC nia na okasatia Akufo-Addo ne ba omia ban no and then what turning against NDC or see senior nyama ko under John Mahama's government no eye ne yase wa company ama John Mahama or see John Mahama adada no because enya nsema John Mahama ka kire wonu Twene Jonas say oba ban mu oba be ye no enye sa de na John Mahama ye ase John Mahama wa ye ne hu tyrant bia ukasa kire no kwa won tibiom he say crowd there John Mahama crowd on fight Twene Jonas course on pobium enti ya brand no abaye video e wo social media o yiya John Mahama his excellency nsema na ese okakra no o yiya no basa videos nde wo video no wo ba hwe nyami na make wa yiya John Mahama star bi Nina boils down to Bawku asem no. Or see, say na policemen di wu or Bawku no enye ena onu Twene Jonas no onim pa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no obetimi a stop isa de akoso or Bawku. Or see, John Mahama friend onu Twene Jonas a onu ne kasa say omunye campaign man no nyina no. O John Mahama ka twe no say sa Bawku asem no na ye ba obi na di echi. Eswan say ba omi ye mampusini. Enti say yanto abama ba omia na onu Mahama bra ba imo onu de on free any of the factions enti obetimi ade asumdwa akoboko ho no. But Twene Jonas say 3 months ni eko 4 months ena John Mahama be ye omampeni. But no show se kra no Bawku asem no asa ye west kra
Ko school ni na matimi enti ade na mo ye mwa mo build akaida for mo build buku hala mo Ghana ade na matimi emwa enkwasiafo say obi ti o say me makoku police ni ko free and police for na busi afo frame me musu say small boys ya no yaku amo because I yo hono se mo obi anku Bawku ni but Bawku for de atimi ku police ni mu ni twaba asere mu ni twaba asere me donya me say John Mahama se mo nsia nyansa wo aban me tu no me na me ka kire wo wan nsia nyansa aban ni ye betu no me tu agu Twene ma mun control Bawku no se mo Gyimie a mo so ye nipa mo ja gu omu ti se de bi gu asanteni mu mo ja gu omu ti se de bi gu mfantemu ni mu mo ja gu obi mu omu ko school omu sua ABCD they know the law and order school of Bawku ye kuro school omu ko school ko sua de they know the left and right na mo na Gyimie na mo jije taso amena bon na mo ye moa when asanteni mu tie me ye
they say who ni tia na say who ni tail. Everything has become worse when it comes to the Bawku issue. So Twene Jonas is very angry. Said John Mahama has deceived him. He's even threatening, say, oh no, and John Mahama share here. Or no Twene Jonas oba motivated boys ama yako to John Mahama after akonyane so. It tells you how dire the situation has become. And for Twene Jonas to turn against first, now Mr. Happiness. Also, sorry, tia NDC na NDC na support. He said here, or so on support NDC biom. NDC for no nsensem bia omudini se na omudi ye galam se nsensem nti no on the NDC chi biom. Se so Twene Jonas nso. Se John Mahama share ya o abetu no free akonyane so san say on fa ne cause bi men se na na so nso didi ndi nkasa kire na wonti. And so that has been the latest Bawku asem no de ha dream pa obi a ye nyina your mind ba pa bia de say John say Bawku asem we no say how because we cannot build a country in this way. Now obi biara nso a odi ade fast Bawku conflict no hu no you have to be ashamed, very much ashamed, because the whole country is almost at a standstill. Na sa ade sa system kitikiti no, that is how terrorism breeds. Who study ISIS almost story, Al-Qaeda almost story, Boko Haram story. Same kitikiti nyina na start sana. Moba. And I support Twene Jonas in this course. Just say some of the insult there. I don't subscribe to insult. I distance myself from the insult. But to the main issue Oka say after about John Mahama is an inability there. Me believe this as a JDM pass Saint John Mahama or Mampeni per se or service as Bawku in same way or best of paper. This has been a political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. So then bye, cheers. And once again, happy birthday to our boss Ajwa, and we wish you all the best.